We walk every day without giving it a second thought. But what if every step we take could do more than just move us forward? Every single day, millions of footsteps generate mechanical energy, yet this energy is simply lost and wasted, despite the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. So, what if we could harness that energy? What if every step could become a source of renewable energy? Introducing Fluxfloor. Fluxfloor is a hybrid energy harvesting system designed to convert everyday footsteps into usable electrical energy. Through the movement of magnets and coils, our electromagnetic mechanism generates electrical power from human motion alone. Existing solutions have already demonstrated the potential of harvesting energy from footsteps, such as paved gen, as well as energy floors. However, many systems rely on a single energy harvesting approach. Fluxfloor differentiates itself by integrating multiple technologies into one compact platform. In addition to electromagnetic generation, Fluxfloor utilizes piezoelectric elements that produce electricity when pressure is applied. Together, both mechanisms work simultaneously to maximize energy harvesting efficiency. Fluxfloor also features live data logging and real-time monitoring, allowing users to observe the voltage and current generated instantly. Together, we're taking one step closer to a smarter and greener community. Fluxfloor, step, generate, sustain.